సత్యపాదు మహతి సప్తకం కనకసనందనాలు స్వయంభూ వారి మనువులు నావలనని ఇమ్మట వారి వలన ఎల్లలోకమందరి సమస్త పుట్టుకు
Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all guys? Right now I am in Tirupati. I'm gonna visit Tirumala Sri Venkateshwara Swami Darshanam. So before that guys, there is a one rule. Because of Corona, we have to take a token. So without token, they won't allow you. There is an entry check post down, like when you are entering into the Tirumala, there is an entry check post. So before anybody can go, but right now without token they won't allow you. It's a very important, so please carry a token. You'll get this token Alapiri bus stand. So just now I took the token. Again I'm telling you, in Alapiri bus stop you'll get this token. So without this token they won't allow you, and they will give you particular time slot. So according to that time only you have to go. So if they are giving tomorrow, example tomorrow evening 6 means you have to go for darshan evening 6 o'clock only. So completely because of Corona they changed the rules and regulations here. So you can see this is the entry check post. So here they won't allow you without token. So no need to worry about the token. It's a very free, no need to pay money. You can get from that bus stop. So they'll check here your baggage and all. If you are carrying any knife or this kind of stuff, they won't allow you. So we have to pay money here once again. One 1820. ఎంత 1 second ఉంది, చేంజ్ ఇస్తాను. So finally we entered into the Tirumala Ghat section. From here exactly 24 kilometers guys, 45 minutes maximum you can reach Tirumala. So you have to go top of the hill, you have to cross 7 hills. In Telugu they will call Edu Kondalu. So Edu Kondala Swami, that means Venkateshwara Swami, he will be located on top of the hill. So they will call 7 hills. So trust me guys, this is such a nice place. So when I'm in, when I'm studying LKG, UKG those days, Tirumala means for me it is like something special. Me, my friends, family members, everybody we used to come here. Each and every South people, everyone will visit this place guys. It's a very famous, and if my guess is correct, the sixth wonder or 7th wonder, Tirumala. So it's a very famous, trust me. You just come with your family guys. People who didn't visit Tirumala, you'll get such positive vibes that completely your mood will change once if you step into that land, Tirumala. Your mood, the first thing, your mood will change. You'll get that peaceful, that complete, the smell, the slogans will be there. Like Venkateshwara Swami slogans. Continuously, wherever you go, any corner you will get that. It will change your mood, your mind, everything. Such a nice place, Tirumala. So just now we entered into Tirumala, and one more thing, because of Corona they closed Akasaganga, Papanashanam, all this stuff, because all these places are very famous. People who are after Darshanam, Sri Venkateshwara Swami Darshanam, people they will visit all these places. But due to Corona they closed each and everything here. Only Darshanam only you can go for Darshanam. Except Darshanam you can't go for Papanashanam. So all those places, no need to worry. And one more thing guys, here you will get everything: food, shopping, ATMs, bank, medical, emergency, everything, each and everything you will get. And one more thing here, Veda Patashala, that means like they will teach you Vedas here. So people who are working here, everybody, they will stay here only. Like it is like a mini city, guys. You don't even feel. See, you to be frank, right now I'm in almost top of the hills. I'm in almost 7 hills. Just imagine 7 hills. But you can see it is like a mini city. Everything you will get. Everything means everything you will get. So if anybody is missing this place, please don't miss at all. Come with your family. You know why I'm telling family? You'll really enjoy, guys, with family. Even friends. I know most of my friends, my seniors, Andhra, everywhere. Friends with gangs that come to Tirumala, you know. There is a one more route here. You can come by, you know, like by walk. That will be, trust me, next level fun. You can enjoy with your friends or with your family. If you are coming, you know, like Tirumala by walk, it will be so good. You can try that also. That is, some people they will call, you know, in Telugu they will call mokku. So if they pray something, if it is happened, so they'll do all this stuff. So such a nice place. So first I have to park bike here. And Tirumala Tirupati, it's a very famous for, just guess, Laddu. Yes. Everybody know, if somebody call Tirupati and they are like Laddu. Yes. Tirupati is a very famous for Laddu also. So I'll show you that also. I don't want to miss Laddu. I just want to buy at least 3 Laddus. So because they gave slot for tomorrow evening 6 o'clock, Darshanam slot and all. So before that I'll get some Laddu. I'll park my bike here. Yes. So I'll get Laddu and I'll show you. See, it's been 7 years. After 7 years, finally, today, thank God, I came. And my favorite god too, Venkateshwara Swami. So you can see here shopping. So many people, they'll come here. Most of the south people will be here. Even north people will come. See how nice it is. Everything you will get, guys. No need to worry about everything. And if you want to stay here, if you have proper token for darshanam, just 50 rupees, 100 rupees, that's it. Just room and all, just 100 rupees or 50 rupees, that's it. But for that you have to stand on the queue. But no need to worry, you will get now, because right now crowd is very less. So easily you will get tokens for your room also. So and Annadhanam also here completely free, morning, afternoon, evening, 3 times. They'll serve food here, that is very good thing. And if you want to donate any food or anything like rice, dal, anything you can donate, guys, here. It is very good to donate. So because of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, most of the people, you know, like they are getting food, Annadhanam and all. So please donate something, guys, because even I'll do that. Even I'll donate something here today, I decided. So people, they are taking rest on my left side and all. Once if they are going for the after finishing that darshanam and all, they'll take rest. You can see here. Nice, no? Just imagine 7 hills. We came to almost 7 hills. That's why it's like a wonder. I think total 8 or 7 wonders are there in the world. It's a 6th wonder, I think. Sorry if I'm wrong. Seriously, how nice this place. I'm recollecting my childhood memories and all with my family. See, this is auditorium, guys. There is one channel, TTD channel. So here they will perform devotional songs and all. You can enjoy. So it will telecast in Telugu. So directly live. So completely devotional songs every day. They'll call kacheri and all. It's good. People who love this kind of music, devotional music and songs, they can enjoy. You can see the temple. This is the front view. Once again. Yeah, this and all front view, guys. You can see this temple. You can see live in this TVs and all. So we'll go for laddu now. So once if you finish darshanam, then only they'll give laddu. This is before, but now completely changed. No need to go for darshanam. Directly you can go for laddu. So they'll give laddu. How many you want, that many they'll give. You have to pay further 50 rupees I think for small laddu. For big laddu 200 rupees. And it won't spoil almost 1 week to 10 days. So you can eat anytime. But again I'm telling you, you can't find this kind of taste anywhere in the world. Again I'm telling you, Tirupati laddu taste you won't get from anywhere in the world. I can bet you guys. Seriously I'm telling you, you won't get anywhere this taste. So yeah, finally I came into the line. I want to take 3 laddu minimum. So I'll show you the rates here. You can see small laddu 50 rupees, big laddu 200, vada 100, cover 3 rupees, sugar candy 5 rupees. So I have to wait for laddu. I will wait even 24 hours, 2 days also I will wait, because I really love Tirupati laddu. 50 rupees laddu, 3. Kavali. How much? 3 rupees. So finally I got my Tirupati laddu. Thank God, Venkateshwara Swami. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.